to be able to solve this problem, we're going to have to use the same relationship we used in the previous one. So that means the length of segment SE times the length of segment EQ will equal the length of RE times the length of EP. Okay, so the length of segment SE is represented by 8x, and EQ is represented by 15x. RE is represented by 10, and EP is 12. So this 120x squared is equal to 120. Now we divide both sides by 120. So that means x squared is equal to 1. Well, generally at this point when you're trying to solve something like x squared is equal to something, it would be x squared is equal to plus or minus the square root of whatever that number is. But in this case, it doesn't make sense to have a negative 1, because if we were to put a negative 1 in here for x, that would make this negative 8. And it doesn't make sense to have a negative number as a length here, so that means x is just equal to the square root of 1, which is just 1. Now we're not done, because we weren't asked to find x. We were asked to find QS. So QS, notice the length QS is the length of SE plus the length of EQ. So QS is equal to SE plus EQ. Well, SE was 8x and EQ is 15x. So it's 23x. So now that we know what x is, we can just plug that in. So QS is equal to 23.